They say Animal Pump is the pre-workout that finally gives you everything: energy, pump, focus, strength, all in one powerful formula. It sounds intense, it sounds promising. But in 2026, with so many pre-workouts online, the real question is, does Animal Pump actually work, or is it just hype? Let's break it down. When you first look at Animal Pump, the formula looks strong. You get creatine, beta-alanine, citrulline, arginine, taurine, stimulants like caffeine. Basically, a full blend designed to boost energy, increase blood flow, and give you that solid muscle pump during your workout. On paper, it sounds like a pre-workout built for serious training. But here's where things get interesting. Animal Pump is powerful, and that's exactly why some people love it and others don't. The stimulant blend hits hard. Many users say they feel awake, focused, and ready to train within minutes. But if you're sensitive to caffeine, you might feel jittery, overstimulated, or have trouble sleeping if you take it too late. So tolerance definitely matters. Now, let's talk about the pump. The combination of citrulline and arginine is designed to increase nitric oxide, which opens your blood vessels so you get that bigger, fuller look during your workout. Some users swear the pump is real and strong. Others say the effect varies depending on hydration, dosage, and how heavy they train. So yes, the pump is there, but it's not going to be the same for everyone. Another big selling point of Animal Pump is the creatine blend. Unlike many modern pre-workouts, Animal Pump includes multiple forms of creatine for strength and recovery. This is something many lifters appreciate because it combines two supplements in one: pre-workout plus creatine, which is convenient. When it comes to focus, the formula also does well. Ingredients like taurine and tyrosine help with mental clarity and concentration. And a lot of users report feeling more dialed in when training, not shaky, but sharp. Still, it's not perfect. Some people don't like the packaging format, because depending on the version, you might get multiple capsules or packets to take instead of a simple scoop of powder. It works, but it's not the most convenient option for everyone. And yes, even though Animal Pump is a strong supplement, it's safe when used responsibly. It's not a steroid, it's not illegal, and it's made for fitness enthusiasts. But, like any stimulant-heavy formula, it's best to start slow to test your tolerance. So, what's the truth? Does Animal Pump finally deliver what it promises? For many people, yes. It's strong, effective, and gives you a solid combination of pump, energy, and strength support. But it's not for everyone. If you're sensitive to caffeine or want something mild, this might feel too intense. If you love powerful pre-workouts, this one fits perfectly. My verdict: Animal Pump works. But it works best for people who already train hard and want a full-power formula. If you want clean, strong energy, noticeable pump, and an all-in-one pre-workout, this one delivers. If you're looking for something lighter, smoother, or stimulant-free, it might not be your best match. If this review helped you decide whether Animal Pump is worth it in 2026, make sure to like, comment, or share, so others know exactly what they're getting before buying. Train smart and train strong.